Okay, this is Grimm that I made for you. I'm gonna try and sorry if it doesn't look trying to do my best. Hold on here at the edge of my computer. Yeah, I have a cat up here. There's the back of Grimm. I hope you like it. I worked really hard on this. Alright, bye-bye.